Chatbots yap, this thing actually hires. Official XAI drop teammates with their own computer always on. They keep grinding after you slam the laptop. Not a chatbot, a desk. They put a machine under every agent. That is the crazy part. Create new bot. First row, you are hiring. Boom, new bot named already sitting at a managed cloud desk. ChatGPT dies when you close the tab. Hermes and OpenClaw make you build the employee on your own iron. Here, the first hire exists so it can hire the specialist. You do not babysit a home lab first. That is the cheat code. Creating InkBrief, not a thread, a second employee job. Sourced briefs only. A bot just hired a bot. InBrief is ready. Two names on the roster, two jobs. You're building a team, not prompting a parrot. This is a company, not a prompt window. Now the real flex. Open the official docs on your computer browser, not my laptop theirs. Look at that pane. New bot screen, shared cloud computer next to the chat. Browser, files, terminal. Slam the laptop and the desk keeps running. Hermes and OpenClaw make you babysit iron in a closet. Here the desk is already on. Elon level unhinged, and this is the damn product. Each agent gets a machine. That is the next generation. Opening the overview. Now it is reading XAI's own page on that machine. You are not copy pasting. The employee is at work. This is the part that makes chatbots look like toys. Receipts, own computer, no workflow builder. Bots talk durable state. That is why this generation eats chatbots alive. New chat. Time to stop being the router. New bot and InkBrief only. The ones we just made, group them so they can pass work. You're not in the middle. The @ sign assigns work. At NewBot, park the sourced list on the computer. At InkBrief, write the cofounder brief. Why this desk, not their own eye? Sent. You are not forwarding screenshots like a human USB stick. They already share the same desk. They talk, you watch, no more being the human router. That is why this can break the old agent market. Saving the list on the box, same computer, different screens, that is the OpenClaw killer. You do not host it, you do not patch it. The employee already has a machine, no closet server, no 3 a.m. Docker drama. This eats the DIY stacks. Path dropped in workspace. New bot just handed InkBrief the file. Hermes, you wire that yourself. Hear the bots talk so you get out of the way. File path in the chat. Work moves without you copying a damn thing. You're watching the handoff, not doing the handoff. InkBrief is cooking the six-liner from sourced facts only. No fanfic. A co-founder can read it before they waste a weekend installing a home agent stack. OpenClaw and Hermes still make you build the employee. This one showed up already seated. Watch the 6 lines land. That is the receipt. There it is, Cloud VM. Shared computer. You are not the router. Chatbots answer, Grok Bot is the damn employee. That is the next generation.